Hello students, I am Anu Soni and today we are going to learn adjectives. So today's topic is adjectives. We'll learn what is adjectives and when we use adjectives. Alright students, now so it is the chapter number 6 of our textbook PC Rain's Grammar. Adjectives are actually a describing word. Okay, we take help of adjective to describe the things. Now let's see a few examples of it. Look at the sentences. This is a fat chicken. That is an empty box. These are new books. My shoes are black. These mangoes are sweet. The highlighted words fat, empty, new, black and sweet are describing words. Okay, so as you can see here, the word fat, empty, new, black and sweet, these all are describing words. Why these are describing words? Because they describe nouns. For example, here chicken is noun and we are describing this noun with the word fat. The chicken is fat. If you can see here, box. So box is there, but how it is? What's there? The matter with the box? Box is empty. Okay. So empty box. Books. There are new or old. So books are new. Black. Shoes are black. And mangoes are sweet. So we are describing noun with the help of this word. So that's why they are called describing words. And adjective. Okay. Adjectives in plural form if we take. So here the word fat describes the chicken. The word empty describes the box. The word new describes the books. The word black describes the shoes. The word sweet describes the mangoes. So the underlined words are here are called adjectives. Why? Because they are describing what? Nouns. These all words are nouns. Do you remember what is noun? I have discussed with you. Yes. Noun is naming word. Okay. Everything in this world has their name and these all are naming words. An adjective describes naming words. Means nouns. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. Hot tea. Okay. So tea is hot. So here hot is again adjective. Cold drink. Small house. Tall man. New shirt. And red flower. Now write down describing words used above in given space. So यहाँ पे जो भी describing words है ना, we have to mention here. So in the first image, see hot tea. So hot is again describing words. Second, cold drink. Okay, cold drink. Small house. Tall man. New. What is new shirt? New shirt is there. And red flower. Now the second exercise is the circle the correct answer. Now here two options are given. We have to give the correct answer. We have to select correct adjectives. Okay, two adjectives are given here. We have to circle the correct adjective. A monkey has long/short tail. Do you think monkey has a short tail? What do you think? It's long or short? I think it's long, so I'm encircling it, okay? A monkey has a long tail. A giraffe has a giraffe is a tall or short animal. Of course, if you can see, giraffe is a tall animal. An elephant is a big or small animal. What it is? Big one. It's a huge size. No? It's a massive animal. It's a very huge. Grass is green or black. Yes, grass is green. Milk is white and pillow is soft. Okay. Now we have to write the correct sentences in our textbook. Exercise 3. Match the describing words with naming words. Then write one sentence on each. One has been done for you. Okay, one is done for us. So green, okay, it's an adjective, and we are talking about vegetables. It's a naming word. It's a describing word, naming words. So we have to connect describing word with naming word. For example, let's see, green vegetable, sweet cake, black shoes, and bright sun. Now we will make sentence. Vegetables are green. The sun is bright. Cake is sweet. Shoes are black. Exercise 4. Circle the describing words. So, it is a sunny day. Ruby, the little puppy, is playing in the field. Okay, it's a sunny day. And Ruby, the little puppy, was playing in where? Is playing where? In the field. It has a short tail. It has very short tail. It is throwing a small ball. Now there are few describing words are used in this situation. Okay, the puppy is playing with a small ball in sunny day. We have to just circle adjectives describing words. The first can be day, it's sunny. We are describing day with use word using sunny. Then Ruby is a puppy. But how? कैसा puppy है वो? Little puppy. It's a little puppy, a small puppy, okay? It's playing in the field. It has a short tail. It has a tail that is short, okay? It's a short tail. It is throwing a small ball. It's throwing what? A small ball. Now, the activity, write weather words under the correct picture. So that let's see the first picture. What do you think? I think it's a cloudy. Yeah. Again, now I think it's a windy because there is a snow, a bit of snow and a wind. So windy, rainy, sunny, snowy and stormy. Can you see the storm with the wind, with the thunder, with the lightning and rain also? Okay. So this is all about adjectives. You have to just remember that adjectives are describing words. What we describe naming words. Means noun. We describe noun with adjective. Okay. So that's how it is important. So students, we'll stop here. We'll meet in the another session with a different topic. Till then, bye and prepare yourself